Cortona2D Editor Pro allows you to manage your 2D grid. You have the option to choose between orthogonal and isometric grids. You also can configure your own grids if this is needed. These grids give you an additional flexibility while working on the 2D illustrations. At any time, you can switch the grid and then use it to make needed adjustments to the illustration. Alignment, positioning, and even simple snap-to-grid helpers will assist you to edit illustration much faster and with a better quality. In this example, we see how a switch of the grid is assisting author in creating an object in a different orientation. Use of basic tools in the isometric grid allows you to create objects much faster and edit them with lesser effort.